This is Litre Total Parts Pro today with a 2018 Hyundai Kona, stock number 6745. It's ran from the 9th 2017 to the 10th 2020. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand daytime running light, right hand headlight, right front door card, right hand master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,